Hey,
have you done it?
give us some dimissal, put it down the toilet.
I'll put them teeth first. Put them teeth first. It still won't come out.
Oh, it's coming out there. Oh. That's full to brim. Oh.
Oh, it is, no.
Get some domestos and sling it
There's
down.
a turd there.
That's not as bad as what I used. Hey, do it in women's.
I'm doing it in bed.
You're not. Don't let her in men's, Sean. See?
I'm going to say.
Andy used to use a brush handle like that.
Go and empty it.
Hey, Andy used to use a brush handle to shove them out.
Just empty it.
I'm thinking of something nice.
No, take a deep breath. Hold your breath.
Oh. Oh.
Not yet. James. It's your video. You show me a wee cunt. You alright, love?